part of the mission. Now to get this down here.
So I think what you're better off doing is if I take it this end, you hold it from that, I'll lift it up higher.
Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka Demo Graphics, down in Winnerush. Today we're painting with Serch, Baps and Samer, so going to be some good pieces happening today. So I'm going to be doing a battle damaged Darth Vader helmet today. So I'm going to start sketching up the doodle grid and then doing the outline on there, and then we'll start doing our lettering. So I've got the Dark Lord, Darth Vader sketched up, Anakin. Serch is just buffing out his letters. He's going to start again. But I'm going to start throwing up some letters now. So got my outline on there, squeezed it in. Serch is almost done on his outline. I'm going to use this can, I'm going to pop it and just get the black infill in there. There we go.
So's mine.
And that's it, done. Nothing coming out of that now.
Do you want me to start recording now?
So yeah, we've got Serch filling out the piece behind me, and got the Darth Vader filled in. Serch has got his outline on, so I'm just going to pop to the pub, get a drink, and then come back. So back from the pub. So Serch has done my fill for me, and now I've just got to put the outline on it. Got the red outline on and the background's all tidy. Now I'm going to add some fluoro on the corners. If you've been feeling this video, don't forget to share it on your social media, leave some comments in the comment section below. So that's it guys, we've reached the end of the video. We've got the dark side wall on there. You don't know the power of the dark side. And we've got the fluoro outline, dark fills. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.